At Tallahassee Memorial Memory Disorder Clinic, we recognize that our families go through this on a daily basis. That's why we're proud to offer Scent Evidence Canine Kits so that our patients that get lost can be found quickly and without incident. So in the Scent Evidence Canine Kit, there is a piece of cotton gauze, a jar, and then a sealer for the evidence that you put in the jar. So what you do is you take the piece of cotton, you take it out of the plastic and wipe it under the armpit, which is the stinkiest part of the body. Once you have the uncontaminated scent, you put it in the jar, seal it with the sealing tape, and put it away in a closet. Hopefully you'll never have to use it, but if the person does end up getting lost or missing, then you will take down the jar and give this to the canine unit with your sheriff's department or the Scent Evidence canine dogs so the person can be found quickly.